Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. Go to the instruction file. So assignment title is a EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is a start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. Access Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. So question number 1 is a complete. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a use the frequency function in the range h5 to h9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation from the range D4 to D35 based on the frequency band located in the range G5 to G9. Insert the frequency function h5 to h9 and the distribution evaluation from the range D4 to D35 based on the range frequency located to the range G5 to G9. Select the cell as H5, type the frequency function and calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation to the range D4 to D35. Select the range D4 to D35 course rating and select the range D4 to D35. Apply commas and second range is a G5 to G9 is a course rating. Click a close bracket, press enter button. So the result is a insert the frequency function and the result is a question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a use the stat function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all courses rating in the cell H12. Insert the status function standard deviation between the current value of all course rating in the cell H12. Select the cell as H12. Insert the status function. Type is equal to and type the status function. Status function and range is a course rating D4 to D35. Close bracket, press enter button. Question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a use the variance function to calculate the variance between the current value of the course rating in a cell H3. Insert the variance function in a cell H13. Set the variance function H13. Select the cell is H13 and type is equal to type the variance function, and the range is a D4 to D35 course rating. Apply the close bracket, press enter button. So the result is H13 is the variance function. Question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is the use the correl function in a cell G70 to calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. Insert the correlation function in the cell G17. Select the cell as G17 correlation column and calculate the correlation between the GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. Type is equal to and type the correl function and select the ranges GPA C4 to C35. Apply a comma and D4 to D35 course rating. Close bracket, press enter button. So the result is a correlation function, correl function in a cell G70. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a ensure the analysis toolpack is loaded, create the descriptive statistic summary based on the course evaluation in the column D. Ensure the label and summary statistic are included, display the output cell in the cell G19. Insert the descriptive statistic charts. Go to the data tab, data analysis, and insert the descriptive statistic charts. Click OK and input range is a create the descriptive summary and course evaluation in the column D. Ensure the label and summary statistic or include the display the output cell G9. Input range is a D4 to D35 course rating. And select the column and based on the course evaluation in the column D, ensure the label and summary statistics are included. Ensure the label. Check the label in the first row and display the output cell is the G19 column and output option in the cell G19. Output range is a cell G19 and summary statistics are included. Summary statistic is the included. So click OK. So insert the descriptive statistics